The DEERC D65 4K camera drone is equipped with a 2-axis mechanical gimbal that ensures smooth and professional quality video footage even in challenging conditions. With its 4K ultra-high-definition camera and electronic image stabilization, the drone captures sharp and blur-free images, making it ideal for stunning aerial photography. Weighing under 249 grams, this foldable drone is ultralight and does not require any FAA registration, making it suitable for both adults and beginners. Advanced GPS technology allows the drone to have precise positioning and offers intelligent flight modes such as Follow Me, Waypoint Flight, and Orbit Mode for hands-free footage capture. The drone is powered by efficient brushless motors that provide a quiet and stable flight experience, with the ability to resist level 4 wind, perfect for high-quality aerial footage. A smart return home function ensures the drone automatically returns to its takeoff point when the battery is low or the signal is lost, giving users peace of mind during exploration.